Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the fourth video of Pashto Numbers. Pashto Numbers mean Pashto Hisab. Today we will learn from 21 to 30. Yavisht. Yavisht is equal 21. In Pashto we start from 1 then to 20, but in English you start from 20 then to 1. For example, Yavisht, but you say 21. Yavisht, 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 Dvavisht, 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 Darvisht, 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 Tsalarvisht, 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 Pinzavisht, 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 Shpagvisht, 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 Wovisht, 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 Atavisht, 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 Nahvisht, 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 Dersh, Dersh, Shabash, Dersh, Dersh, Dersh. Let's repeat again. Yavisht,
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 Dvavisht,
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 Darvisht,
Dvavisht,
Darvisht,
Dvavisht,
Darvisht,
Dvavisht. What's that, Baloo?
Tsalarvisht,
Salurvich,
Tsalarvisht,
Salurvich,
Tsalarvisht, Pinzavisht,
Pinzavich,
Pinzavisht.
Pinzavich,
Saman shor maka.
Pinzavich, Pinzavich,
Visht, Visht, Pinzavisht,
Pinzavich,
Pinzavisht,
Pinzavich,
Pinzavisht,
Pinzavich,
Shpagvisht,
Spagvisht,
Shpagvisht,
Spagvisht,
Shpagvisht,
Spagvisht,
Wovisht,
Wavisht,
Wovisht,
Wavisht,
Wovisht,
Wavisht,
Atavisht,
Atavish,
Atavisht,
Atavish,
Atavisht,
Atavish,
Nahvisht,
Nahavish,
Nahvisht,
I want to put the side.
Nahvisht,
Nahavish,
Nahvisht,
Nahavish,
Dersh,
Dish,
Dersh,
Dish.
دیرش. ملګرو په پای کې هم هیله پښتو زده کړه فیسبوک پاڼه خوښه کړئ، پښتو لرنینګ یوټیوب چینل سبسکرایب کړئ. زما فیسبوک دی غزانور او ټویټر مې هم دی غزانور، په دې مې هم څارلی شئ. ښه ورځ ولرئ.